Hey, what's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So, Shiba Inu is slowly starting to gain more momentum here. We'll see if the overall crypto market is turning a corner. So, we're going to jump into some of the things that's happening with SHIB right now and what gives us some hope here, what gives us some good feelings moving forward as things are starting to pick up. We're going to look at the daily chart, which shows that trade activity around SHIB is slowly gaining some momentum. So, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, welcome in. Man, it's a great time to get into crypto, great time to get into SHIB and various altcoins right now too, because they've all been just bruised and battered right now because of the overall market conditions. But that gives us a great opportunity to jump in and we'll take a look at currently where the price of SHIB is. It's at the 1256 level. It is up about 6% here today, but we can see what they mean here in terms of that volume. Look at over the last 7 days. We are just picking up slightly. Over the last 24 hours, it has really come off that 11 range nicely. And we're going to show you exactly why. Before we do, though, go over to Crypto Bubbles and see that we are looking at a lot of green across the board here in the overall crypto market. Love seeing this. We got Polygon and ApeCoin up 10%, Dogecoin coming up. Look at Phantom is up 20%. Man, Phantom really got crushed in this last downturn, but it has come back really nicely. Shiba Inu, as we mentioned, up about 5-6% right now. All right, so let's go over here and look back at this article here. So SHIB's price right in that 1-2 range. This, of course, adds to the trend seen in SHIB's price in the last week, as its price is also still down 35 cents, or I'm sorry, 35%, but the overall price in the last 24 hours is bouncing nicely. Now, we know about the burn portal, right? That's been a nice little catalyst here in the short term. Of course, members of the SHIB community, also known as the SHIB Army, can send tokens to it and burn tokens. It's an attempt to bring down the overall supply of SHIB. Over time, I think this is a nice catalyst. We won't feel the real effects of it, here in the short term, but over time, it's a really nice catalyst. Now, in terms of what has been done, they've burned a number of tokens already. We went over those numbers yesterday and increased the total amount of burned SHIB tokens by just over 1 billion, because that's what you get. You get in return, you get burnt SHIB, and then you can actually turn that into Ryoshi Vision tokens on the other side of things and earn, a different rewards token that is now part of the SHIB ecosystem officially. I do hold some Ryoshi's Vision too. Made a nice little return on Ryoshi's Vision last year in 2021 as it ran up with Shiba Inu right around the same time. But looking at the daily chart, the burning of the 1 billion tokens of SHIB over the past 48 hours did help SHIB rebound a bit. Besides the token burning, there was also an influx of buy trade volume. We saw some whales buying recently over the past couple days and within the last 24 hours. SHIB was unable to break the nearest resistance level, which is sitting there at that 14 level. That is where we're trying to kind of break through here and potentially break out a bit and get back to where we were a few weeks ago, right back into the 20s. The increased trading volume, though, over the last couple of days does give us hope, and it signals that interest is slowly returning back to Shiba Inu, breaking the minimal trading activity seen over the last few weeks because, man, it's been brutal across the overall crypto market, especially with assets like SHIB that have really been hit hard. But again, it's provided a lot of opportunity for people to reinvest, lower their average cost, start a position, or all the above. Now, technical indicators still suggest that investors are bearish on SHIB here in the short term. However, the tides may turn for the coin as activity around it picks up again. We'll see what happens today. Today's a big day as we roll into next week, Monday, right around the corner here tomorrow. We're really going to learn a lot about where we are in this crypto market, right? Have we finally hit bottom? Are we going to start to consolidate a little bit, even move up slowly? We're going to learn a lot over the next 5 to 7 days when it comes to SHIB and when it comes to the overall crypto market. So hopefully this gives you a nice perspective, gives you something to think about, helps you along the, your investing journey here on a Sunday. Cheers, everybody. Have a great one, and I will see you all in the next video.